sometimes when you travel internationally, you don't know if the people are completely honest with you or not. Guys, I just got to my hotel. It's called the Park City here in Gillard, France. I think I'm pronouncing it right. And then there's my taxi. He saved me time by just taking me here. He was really, really helpful. Here's the reason I've been trying to figure out why in the world can I not get into downtown Geneva, because I was really trying to get a hotel booked in downtown Geneva so I didn't have to walk as far. And it turns out, again, my taxi driver was very helpful, very informative. He told me this week, and every year in April, this time of year, they do a watch big conference / convention. So all the hotels, they are booked up, and they've been booked up for several months. So when I tried to book this hotel 2 months ago, that's the reason they placed me to France. I'm not trying to imply that I'm skeptic, but this is the main reason why I couldn't get a hotel anywhere in downtown Geneva. That's why I had to walk 2 kilometers that way to cross the border from France to Switzerland to get into a hotel, which is not far at all. Like I said, I'm already back in Switzerland. Well guys, it's another beautiful day here on the border of France and Switzerland. I'm going to be going exploring for my second day here in Geneva. Just walk through downtown again, try to explore something completely different, because today's my full day here. And then tomorrow I'll be heading back on the train. It's going to be about 3 to 3.5 hours back to Zurich. I'll spend another day there, and then on Saturday afternoon I'll be flying right back to JFK. cool. This is the whole reason that I was not able to get a hotel reserved anywhere here in downtown Geneva, and that's because Watches and Wonders is what it's called. So they got letters all along the shore of the Geneva Lake. Kind of cool. I didn't expect to come to this kind of event.
Ici, je commence à transférer. Rock with you to Michael Jackson.
I couldn't make my trip all the way to Geneva and not see the UN. Unfortunately, it's closed because I kind of timed myself at the wrong time because it's already past 5 o'clock. They're already closed here on Thursday. But it's kind of cool to see, you know, where a lot of the major world decisions happen right here in Geneva. I'm going to flip the camera over so you guys can see this too. This is pretty cool. They have a display here called the Broken Chair. It's a huge, huge statue. Let me actually turn around so you guys can see the comparison, how tall it is. I'm just gonna walk around the UN building, just kind of see what the atmosphere is like, and plus it's a really beautiful day out. But this sign, I was curious to see if they allow visitors here, and they allow visitors 6 days a week except for Sundays, and that's what that sign says. Unfortunately, I won't be able to come back here. This is gonna be a perfect excuse for me to come back to Geneva another time, because tomorrow I gotta catch a 3.5-hour train to go back to Zurich, because I gotta catch a flight in a couple of days. Again, this is why I travel to different countries, just to see what they offer I know you could do it the fast way where you could go and look up online, but I like to do it the old-fashioned way where I just walk around and kind of explore. So that way, in the future, when somebody asks me, like, hey, why are you going back to Switzerland? Didn't you already been there? Now I have an excuse. Same with Singapore. You know, there are certain things in Singapore that I missed, but now when I go back, I have a reason to go back. So this is basically my excuse to return to Geneva. Guys, here's the crazy thing. Right there is where I got on the taxi when I first arrived to downtown Geneva. That's the Geneva train station. So literally now, I'm gonna be walking all the way back to my hotel in France, which should take me from here another like hour and a half approximately, if I don't stop to look at other things. But it's crazy to think, 2 days ago, I knew nothing about the city, didn't know where to walk, and I literally just made a big gigantic loop. And so when I come back tomorrow, this is the way I'm gonna come in. I just walked almost an hour and a half. I've got about half an hour to the French border to get to my hotel slash, it's kind of an apartment too, but anyway, I stopped at Bilo's Pizza because I was just craving something pizza-like, and if you've seen any of my vlogs, sometimes I don't necessarily eat at a really nice restaurant, sometimes I just want something basic. I spent 23 Swiss francs including for the drink, but let me show you what my pizza looks like. I mean, it's amazing how much effort they go through to make sure that it's fresh. I kind of peeked at it, so I'm gonna let you peek too. But here at Bilo's Pizza, which is about a half an hour from the border of France and Switzerland, and the pizza looks really good. I can't wait to taste it. And the moment I opened the box, the steam just poured out.